I feel hungry now. I feel hungry now. I want to eat food. I want to eat food. I like good food. I like good food. Food makes me happy. Food makes me happy. I eat breakfast daily. I eat breakfast daily. Breakfast is important. Breakfast is important. I eat lunch at noon. I eat lunch at noon. I eat dinner at night. I eat dinner at night. I like home food. I like home food. I cook at home. I cook at home. I can cook simple food. I can cook simple food. Cooking is fun. Cooking is fun. I eat fruits daily. I eat fruits daily. Fruits are healthy. Fruits are healthy. I eat vegetables too. I eat vegetables too. Vegetables are good for health. Vegetables are good for health. I drink water often. I drink water often. Water keeps me fresh. Water keeps me fresh. I like tea. I like tea. I like coffee. I like coffee. I drink milk daily. I drink milk daily. Milk is healthy. Milk is healthy. I eat rice often. I eat rice often. Rice is my favorite food. Rice is my favorite food. I like bread. I like bread. Bread is easy to eat. Bread is easy to eat. I like sweet food. I like sweet food. I like salty food. I like salty food. I do not like spicy food. I do not like spicy food. This food tastes good. This food tastes good. The food smells nice. The food smells nice. I enjoy eating slowly. I enjoy eating slowly. I eat with my family. I eat with my family. Family meals feel good. Family meals feel good. I go to restaurants. I go to restaurants. I like this restaurant. I like this restaurant. The restaurant is clean. The restaurant is clean. The menu looks good. The menu looks good. I read the menu. I read the menu. I choose my food. I choose my food. I order food now. I order food now. I wait for my food. I wait for my food. The food arrives soon. The food arrives soon. The food looks tasty. The food looks tasty. I eat with a spoon. I eat with a spoon. I eat with a fork. I eat with a fork. I use a knife. I use a knife. I eat carefully. I eat carefully. I enjoy my meal. I enjoy my meal. The food is hot. The food is hot. The food is fresh. The food is fresh. I like fresh food. I like fresh food. I eat healthy food. I eat healthy food. Healthy food helps me. Healthy food helps me. I avoid junk food. I avoid junk food. Junk food is unhealthy. Junk food is unhealthy. I eat snacks sometimes. I eat snacks sometimes. Snacks are small meals. Snacks are small meals. I feel full now. I feel full now. I am satisfied. I am satisfied. The service is good. The service is good. The waiter is polite. The waiter is polite. I say thank you. I say thank you. Good manners matter. Good manners matter. I ask for the bill. I ask for the bill. I pay the bill. I pay the bill. The price is fair. The price is fair. I leave a tip. I leave a tip. I leave the restaurant. I leave the restaurant. I feel happy after eating. I feel happy after eating. I drink water after meals. I drink water after meals. I feel relaxed now. I feel relaxed now. I enjoy good food. I enjoy good food. Food gives energy. Food gives energy. I eat on time. I eat on time. Eating on time is good. Eating on time is good. I avoid overeating. I avoid overeating. Balance is important. Balance is important. I listen to my body. I listen to my body. My body needs good food. My body needs good food. I try new food. I try new food. New food is exciting. New food is exciting. I enjoy food daily. I enjoy food daily. Food brings people together. Food brings people together. I feel thankful for food. I feel thankful for food. Gratitude feels good. Gratitude feels good. I respect food. I respect food. Food should not be wasted. Food should not be wasted. I clean my plate. I clean my plate. Clean habits matter. Clean habits matter. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. Clean hands are important. Clean hands are important. I enjoy every bite. I enjoy every bite. Eating is a pleasure. Eating is a pleasure. I feel calm now. I feel calm now. I feel comfortable. I feel comfortable. I learned food words today. I learned food words today. Practice helps me speak. Practice helps me speak. Thank you for practicing today. Thank you for practicing today. See you in the next episode. See you in the next episode.